and welcome to Curry TV. So on this episode, I'm going to talk to you about spicy chicken wings. Everybody loves the spotty flavor and it's easier on the host as well. So without further ado, let's take a look at all the ingredients that we'll be using for this recipe. I'll be using 1 pound of chicken wings, just the chicken wing itself, black pepper to taste. This is garlic salt. I'm not adding extra salt to this, but I'm adding the garlic salt along with some onion powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, and red chili powder. The red chili powder you can substitute with any of your choice, paprika or mild version, whatever you want. It doesn't have to be so spicy. There are different types available in the market, so please take a look around. Now the secret of having a nice crispy chicken wing is to have it kind of the moisture out, meaning after you wash it, let it drain completely, making sure there's no excess oil or water in there. So because when we actually put it into the oven, it actually will be coming out crispy. So I am not going to be deep frying this. This is actually going to be an oven recipe that it's easier for our big game nights. So for this, I'll be adding quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, a nice spoonful of red chili powder, half a spoonful of garam masala, and black pepper to taste. That's according to your spiciness. How spicy do you want it? That's all up to you. So now we're going to be using nice spoonful of garlic salt. I love the flavor of garlic salt. It actually nice, I don't know, something about that garlic salt. I just like it. It's already with parsley and garlic and salt, so it makes our life a little bit easier. And 1 full spoon of onion powder. So my oven is preheating at 425 degrees while we marinate this. We gotta get our hands in. There's one. After you wash them, you can drain them and then pat them dry, or you can pop it in the fridge for like maybe an hour or so. That will also get the moisture out. But now I need all spices to coat this, and this is where I'm going to use a tablespoon of either olive oil or vegetable oil. So let me wash my hands and I'll be right back. So into this pan, I'm going to drizzle in a little bit of olive oil. This is optional. Just a drizzle. Roughly 1 tablespoon. Now I have a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil, and I already have a rack ready, and I already sprayed that so that it doesn't stick to that rack. Now it's very important that we use a rack because it helps aerate the chicken and it comes out nice golden color on both sides. If you put it directly onto the foil, it tends to have a nice it's still fine, but it would stick to the bottom of the pan. So this will avoid that. And let's get this nice coating. When you're hosting a party, it's very hard for the host to put together everything. They had to worry about the appetizer, the main dish, the side dish, all this. This is actually a easy thing that we can do ahead of time in a Ziploc bag and throw it into the freezer. Whenever you want, just pop it out and let it thaw and pop it into the oven. It's easy and makes life easier. If you want to keep this aside for 30 minutes, it'll be even tastier. But if you're on a short rush like how I am today, just pop them in there. That's fine. You can serve this with ranch, buttermilk ranch, or buffalo sauce, or even barbecue sauce. That'd be also fine. All right, my oven is ready. Let's pop them in and wait 20 minutes. So initially I'm going to put them in there for 20 minutes and then give them a twist. turn them over, flip them around, and then put it back in there for another 20 minutes. So total cooking time is about 40 minutes. So here goes the first set. Let's put a timer for 20 minutes. Okay, our oven has started talking to us. Our timer is off for the 20 minutes. Let's get it out. Okay, again goes back into the oven for another 20 minutes. Let's do so. All right, our oven's been beeping, so I'm just gonna go in and check on our chicken wings. Wow. Look at that. Nice. So our chicken wings came out. I got into a little basket. Now I will be preparing many baskets like this. I will have chicken wings, I will have chicken nuggets, I will have some guacamole, chips, that kind of stuff, and then some veggies to go along with it. Broccoli, carrots, our veggies platter that we usually serve, and this will be something that appetizers, as it goes along with appetizers. So you want to see how it tastes like, right? Okay, it came out really nice and crispy, right? And you can serve this with either ranch, barbecue sauce, sweet chili paste, or ketchup, whatever choice. That's what I have here. And it's hot. For garnish, I just chopped up some cilantros, and that is my friend. So our chicken wings are nice and juicy, tasty. I hope you will try it. It goes well with barbecue, and my favorite is actually the sweet chili. Definitely serve this for those loud friends of yours. Those chatterboxes. In my house, I have few. So this will keep everybody entertained, especially on a game day. This will be a party pleaser. Please try it. I hope to hear from you soon. I hope you will send your comments in the comment box, and we'll see you next time. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, bell button. We'll see you next time. Bye.